Skyhawk 4K drone. You've probably seen the ads. Foldable design, 4K video, obstacle sensors, slow motion shots, cinematic flight modes. Sounds amazing, right? But is it really as good as it sounds? Or is it just clever marketing? Let's break it down together. First off, the big promises. They say it will redefine the drone experience. It's supposedly the fastest drone of its size and delivers professional-grade shots. Sounds cool, but here's the problem. There are no real specs to back this up. Even the 120-degree HD lens they talk about? No model number, no technical details, nothing. It feels more like hype than proof. Then there's the sales pressure. Everywhere you look, it's order now and save 33%, or stock levels low, or ships by 15th August. They even throw in free shipping and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Now these might sound nice, but they're also classic high-pressure sales tricks to push you into buying fast. Next, the so-called media mentions. They claim to have been featured on Forbes, Alibaba, and Daily Mail. But guess what? No links, no proof, no screenshots. Nothing to verify it. Without real evidence, it's impossible to know if those mentions are genuine or just marketing smoke and mirrors. And about that price, they're selling it at a pretty steep price. But when we checked Alibaba, we found similar-looking drones for a lot less. That's a red flag. It makes you wonder, are you paying for the product or just paying for the hype? Let's talk about reviews. Most of the ones on their site are super polished, almost too perfect. Some of the product images are even copied from other websites. That's not a good sign. And on Trustpilot, we couldn't find any independent reviews to back up their claims. So here's the bottom line. When you put it all together, no solid specs, constant urgency tactics, unverified media mentions, inflated pricing, and suspicious reviews. The Skyhawk 4K shows a lot of signs of being misleading, maybe even untrustworthy. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Until next time,